Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for the Secret Squirrel in Wisconsin on the RCI-2995DXHP. Secret Squirrel, we got you ready to go. You ordered just the basic tune alignment and the 4 to 6 pin adapter. So let's just get right to it. All right, power all the way down, 100-watt slug. At about 4 watts all the way down, 60 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. Pegs it. Oh, the 250-watt slug in average. Hello. 115 bird average. Peak power. Hello. 250 on the money. Roll it all the way down. Hello. Still 250. All right, Secret Squirrel, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.